Here's a study note on Microsoft Entra, expanded identity and access management family. Microsoft Entra, expanded identity and access management family. Microsoft Entra is Microsoft's unified identity and access management (IAM) product family, designed to secure access to resources across hybrid and multi-cloud environments. It extends beyond traditional identity management to deliver identity security, governance, and network access in a zero-trust framework. Key components. 1. Entra ID, formerly Azure AD core identity service that manages authentication, single sign-on, SSO, multi-factor authentication, MFA, conditional access, and lifecycle management for users, apps, and devices. 2. Entra Permissions Management, a cloud infrastructure entitlement management (CIEM) solution that gives visibility into permissions across Azure, AWS, and GCP, enforces least privilege access, and mitigates over-permission risks. 3. Entra Verified ID, decentralized identity solution using open standards, e.g., DID, verifiable credentials. It enables organizations to issue and verify digital identities securely, enhancing trust and reducing identity fraud. 4. Entra Workload ID protects non-human identities like apps, services, and workloads, ensuring secure communication between them with strong identity-based authentication. 5. Entra Internet Access, a secure web gateway, SWG, enforcing internet security policies, protecting against malicious sites, and safeguarding SaaS apps. 6. Entra Private Access, Zero Trust Network Access, ZTNA, solution replacing legacy VPNs, enabling secure, least privilege access to private applications and resources. Core benefits. Zero Trust Ready. Every access request is verified, least privilege enforced, and continuous monitoring applied. Unified Security brings IAM, identity governance, and network access into a single platform. Multi-cloud coverage extends visibility and control beyond Microsoft environments.